Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up SQLite with Python for lightweight apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred code editor or IDE. Create a new Python file and name it something like setup_sqlite.py. Next, ensure you have Python installed on your system. You can download it from the official Python website if you haven't yet. Open your terminal or command prompt. Type Python version to check if Python is installed. Now, let's install the SQLite library for Python. In the terminal, type pip install SQLite 3. Press enter and let the installation complete. After installation, open your Python file. Import the SQLite library by adding import SQLite 3 at the top. Next, create a new database. To do this, use connection equals SQLite3.connect, my_database.db. This will create a new SQLite database file named my_database.db. If the file already exists, it will connect to that file instead. Now, create a cursor object. Add cursor equals connection.cursor after the previous line. The cursor allows you to execute SQL commands. Let's create a simple table for our data. Write the SQL command to create a table. Add this line, cursor.execute, create table if not exists users, ID integer primary key, name text, age integer. This command creates a users table with 3 columns, ID, name, and age. To save your changes, commit them. Add connection.commit after creating the table. Now, let's insert some data into the table. Use cursor.execute, insert into users, name, age, values, Alice. This command inserts a new user named Alice, aged 30. You can add more users by repeating the insertion command. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.